Good morning and welcome back. I'm going to do something probably no one else is doing right now. I'm going to check out Meta.ai and show you some of the images they're creating. The problem that I get when people ask me what model to use that is free is there aren't any anymore. Most of them are credits and you have to sign up and then use credits and then you're done. Meta.ai, completely free, generate as much as you want. They're not as good quality, but it's pretty good and it's pretty fast. So let's have a look and show you around. So this only just came to the UK. It must be in the last 2 weeks. I've been kind of monitoring it, but amazing. So there's a few things in here that you can use and maybe get you past the kind of beginner level, but also you could use it to do lots of generations of stuff, maybe in the background. And there's a few little tools at the end that are really handy generally. So let's do some generations, show you what it is, show you how it works and how fast it is. Terrible connection here right now, but let's do something. So dog in the park running. Let's try that. It's meta.ai. So only generates square right now. There we go. Not bad, are they? They're not bad. Quite. Let's have a look at close up so you can see. They're all right. You know, it's not world class. That's pretty good, isn't it? So's that. So there we go. But the great thing is that what you can do is this little button down here is you can click animate and then you get all of those animated at the same time. I like this idea. I think right now we're having a lot of challenges with this to and from kind of thing where you want to mold it as you go rather than kind of, fire it off and get it back. These are great. Yeah. And I see also this like slowly catchy monkey thing where actually what you're going to do is you're going to have an idea, generate a small quick thing and then move to something that's faster. But look, it's great. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, he's all excited, isn't he? Look, probably 3 legs there, but it's great. Quality wise, it's not going to be amazing, but this is their first go and they've got the other video generator coming out. So it's great. And obviously Facebook, Meta are looking to create ads. That's why they're giving this all away. It's totally free, no charge or anything like that. So you can send it, you can expand, you can save it. You can't edit it, but every time I edit it just creates another video. So black lag. Right. Or if I spell that right. So what it does, it doesn't really edit it that I found. What it does is just create a new video. But yeah, fast, free. It's okay. It's okay. You could do for lots of uses. Yeah, new video. But there we go. It's great, isn't it? I'm shocked how fast it is, firstly, how easy it is. I like the 4 images so you can mess around with it. It's all right. It's okay. There we go. So let's go to the other part that I want to tell you about is the AI demos. So some of these have been released before and it gives a little taster of what's to come as well. So AI generated voice and sounds. I haven't even gone into this, but yeah, I can imagine. I think I've looked at this before. So we've got, you can see how, as you can see, I haven't. Right, let's have a look.
Hello.
Skip intro. See what we get. Make sure my sound is in so I can hear it as well as you. Here we go. So this is new for me as well. So what it's going to be doing is...
Once upon a time, there was a big bad wolf. The wolf lived all alone in the forest.
What sorts of sounds?
So there we go. Audiobox, obviously for video. You see where they're going. You can download this. You can create your own. You know, it's awesome. It is awesome what they're doing. Let's go back to here. So we've got animated drawings, which I reviewed a year and a half ago. One of the first ones to come out, but this is really cool as well. So it takes an image of a drawn image. So great to show your kids this one, but takes an image, and then what it does is create a character. So links up all the parts of the character, gives it arms and legs kind of thing, analyzes the character, then puts the joints into the character, and then you can animate that any way you want. So running, standing still, dancing. It's very cool as well, isn't it? Fun for kids. Okay, seamless transition. Yeah, I think I've done this already. Have I done this one already? Yeah, so this is basically changed. This is language translation, which is cool. Let's go back to the one I want to show you and give you a little idea where they're going. So you can see, in effect, what they're doing. They're building a suite of tools around video. So you can translate, you can create scenes, video, whatever. But this, I think, is something I've been talking about a couple of times, is about the editing suite. Okay, so this is more going down that road of tools and editing video. And I see the next kind of war after the AI video generation is the editor, because the editor and how good the editor is going to determine who wins the war. So the reason I say that is because down here, we've got a very basic editor. And you see Runway, you see Kling talking about their editor. Adobe are doing it the other way, bringing their AI video into the editor. You've got CapCut with like 25 AI tools in it. The editor is going to be the secondary thing to AI video, I truly believe. But this is really cool. So what you can do is basically select an object and then basically cut it out. So we can do a new object, which is shirt, another object, shoes maybe, one or two shoes. And then what you can do is track those objects. Keeps telling me that. Track those objects. Yeah. So you can use this yourself. You can upload your own video here as well. I don't know why it keeps saying you can fix tracking issues by going back to the frames and tracking. Yeah. Okay. Then we go next. And then what you can do is you can go surprise me. And then what it does is, wow, that's pretty full on. But yeah, it will track that. And I can even go to the background and erase the background and do stuff like this. Very cool, isn't it? But yeah, I think you want to look at what they've done on the editor, because this kind of thing, this really simple, easy to use editing suite is where we're going. Where you've got something, and look, I can even add a background image. Let me try that. Yeah, crazy. Okay, very cool. Have a look at that. But that's Meta. Okay, long wait. Not in the UK for ages, but it's looking nice. I like it. I think it's great. I'll definitely try and use it, and I can see it growing in popularity very quickly, and especially free. So there we go. So that was Meta.ai. No one's talking about it, but they should be. Excellent. For free. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate that. And I will look forward to seeing you next one.